Hey guys and gals, today we're going to show you how to build your brand new electric Bugatti Veyron. So the first thing you got to do is this is disconnected so that it can fit in the box so it has flex. So you just put that up there and screw that in. So when it arrives, it comes like this, and you just gotta cut and plug and play everything. Just gonna plug in our charge port and then let it charge for 8 to 10 hours. So you have your spring and this piece for the rear suspension, and basically you're going to put this in there like that. Once you put in your axle, once it's inside, it's going to essentially be like that inside the housing there, and you just do it for each side. Alright, so we've got the spring.
You compress it and slide the axle through.
And I'm going to put okay, that's ish. And then we'll slide the axle. Okay, so you've got the spring in there, the axle going through the top one. We're gonna go ahead and do the same for the bottom. So you gotta compress the spring as you slide in the thing. And then you can slide the axle through it.
It's in.
So now the suspension, got that in. Now we can continue on. As depicted in the picture, we have our gearbox, the wheel, big washer, split pin, and hubcap. We're going to install our gearbox, 2 washers, a split pin, and the rear wheel. The gearbox, just install like so. Great. And then we're going to put on 1 washer, our wheel, another washer, and then our split pin. Great. So go ahead and bend your split pin so that it secures the wheel in place. And then we're going to do the same for the other side. The procedure for the other wheel. So gearbox, washer, wheel, washer, and split pin. And secure it on that side to make our wheels look awesome. And just pop those right in. Yay! Fancy. And repeat on the other side. So just so you guys know, these are interchangeable. So if you've done a couple too many burnouts, you can exchange the front for the rear, vice versa. Front wheel, we're gonna do big washer, put on our wheel. Then another big washer and our split pin. And then, like you did before, secure that and proceed on to the last wheel. Final wheel, big washer, wheel, washer, and split pin / garter pin. We'll secure that in there, and then we can do the shiny part. Got this part on, so now we're just going to snap this in real quick. Yay. So you remove this little temporary transport piece to put in your side stability. So we have our chassis stabilization pieces. They just mount 3 screws, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there on this side, and the same with the other side, with the hardware included. So these are self-tapping screws, so you're going to want to line it up and then use a little bit of pressure when you screw it in. So we're getting in the 5th one of this side, and then we'll just repeat on that side. Side screwed in. And so now you're just going to plug in your gearboxes / motors into your batteries. So I'm just going to plug in this one. And this one. So we're just going to screw this in here kind of to secure it. It's probably not 100% necessary, but just keep things tidy. Now we have our seat, which has a screw hole here and here. So we will install our lovely seat with safety screws and take our 2 screws and screw them. So screwing in there, and then we have another screw to put in there. So once your charger has turned green, you can unplug it and go ahead and start it up with the keys provided. And now you've successfully built your brand new electric Bugatti Veyron.
Die großen Ohren wecken fröhlich zum Beat.
Check us out online at GearHeadGirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at GearHeadGirl69.